this is Darren from Macquarie Warrants Singapore, and welcome to another episode of Macquarie Warrants Market View. In this series, hear firsthand from Singapore's investment strategists as they share their views on the markets in the coming weeks. For this episode, we have Con Hao, Director of Waypedia and SGX Academy trainer, who will share his views on the Singapore and global markets for this month.
With the close of 2020, let's make an assessment of the fourth quarter closing of the S&P. After the first quarter, studies indicated a bearish engulfing body, and we have been cautious since then. Though intermittently, we analyzed buying opportunities from time to time in the whole of 2020. With the closing of the last quarter, the market gave us a clear mandate that the uptrend has resumed. However, with the S&P index PE ratio nearing 40 right now, means it is over its value that it should be. I would still prefer to stay cautious to look out for buying on dip opportunities just like a few days ago. In Hong Kong, Baba looks interesting right now, though fundamentally its business model is still redefining. In the short term, studies indicated there is a potential rebound from its recent low. Singapore market is my favorite now for long-term hold as its PE ratio is about 15. This represents great value. Most blue chips have started their rally since November. However, studies for UOB indicated a potential short-term correction. For those who would like to take advantage of volatility, structure warrants, it is always in my bag of investment instruments. And lastly, stay safe and stay profitable.
I hope Con Hao's insights have provided you with actionable strategies to trade the current market. Investors keen to trade the short-term market moves may consider doing so via warrants. Call warrants move in line with the underlying they follow, meaning if the underlying stock or index went up, so will the call warrants. Puts warrants move inversely from the underlying and will increase in price when the underlying stock or index falls. 2021 began to strengthen bullish sentiments in the US as the Democratic Party secured a trifecta of political power in the White House, House of Representatives, and US Senate on January 7. Markets rallied hard on the news as it gives the Democrats the best opportunity in a decade to shape the American political agenda when President-elect Joe Biden takes office on January 20th. Following the news, the S&P futures gained 2% in a day to finish above the 3,750 level on January 7th, 5 p.m. when the Singapore market closed. In the same day, the S&P call warrant VQEW that is traded in Singapore dollars on the SGX saw a 28% gain, while the put warrant XYPW fell 11%. This magnified move in the warrants is due to the effective gearing feature embedded in warrants. A warrant's effective gearing figure refers to how much more a warrant may move in response to the moves in the underlying they track. If a warrant had an effective gearing of 10 times, means the warrant will move around 10% for every 1% move in the underlying share or index it tracks. The gearing effect is one of the reasons that make warrants popular, but note that gearing can work both ways, meaning warrants will also move in a bigger magnitude or percentage change than the percentage moved in the underlying should you get your view wrong. Subject to President Trump's executive order of banning investments and transactions with Chinese tech platforms, Alibaba led a sell-off in Chinese tech names as it sank 6% in 5 trading sessions. The order will not take effect till February, however, which falls on the Biden administration to execute or suspend it. Investors who share Con Hao's view and hope to capture a rebound can look at the Alibaba call warrant R42W, which is equipped with an effective gearing of 6 times. Looking at our UOB warrants as a final example, in the same period the shares gained 3%, our UOB call warrant V8DW gained 17%, while the UOB put warrant YWRW declined 14%. So, where and how do you trade structured warrants by Macquarie? Start by visiting warrants.com.sg to select a Macquarie warrant over your preferred underlying with the free tools provided. Write down your warrant's 4-digit warrant code and log into your brokerage account. You can click into your account login pages via a shortcut on the website. This will be the same accounts that you use to trade shares. When you're logged into your shares trading platform, simply key in the 4-digit warrant code in the search bar to execute buy or sell trades in the warrant, just like how you trade shares. For further details on trading warrants and to find out if you're qualified to trade warrants, click on the link in the description or feel free to contact us at our warrant hotline. Lastly, don't miss out on next video and exciting warrant news by scanning on the QR codes and subscribe to our channels on YouTube, Telegram and Facebook.